The secret to a sparkling clean washing machine. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the Clean Life blog channel. Today, we've got something exciting in store for you. You might be thinking, cleaning a washing machine? Really? But trust me, it's not just about cleaning, it's about ensuring your clothes come out fresh and clean every single time. So, let's dive into the secrets of a squeaky clean washing machine. You're doing laundry, but your clothes are starting to smell a bit funky, or they're just not as clean as they used to be. Well, it might not be your detergent's fault, it's probably your washing machine that needs some love and attention. You see, over time, your trusty washing machine can become a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and soap scum. Yuck, right? These unwelcome guests can affect your machine's performance and, in turn, the quality of your laundry. But don't worry, we're about to unveil the magic that will bring your washing machine back to life. Stick around, and you'll discover some surprising tips and tricks that will make this cleaning process a breeze. Before we get started, let's gather our cleaning arsenal. You'll need white vinegar, baking soda, a microfiber cloth, a toothbrush, a sponge, an old toothbrush, a small bowl, some hot water. Now, here's the fun part. We'll show you step by step how to clean your washing machine. It's super easy, I promise. First up, let's tackle the detergent tray. This is where gunk tends to accumulate. Remove it, soak it in a mixture of hot water and vinegar, and scrub away the residue. Easy peasy. Next, we're going inside the drum. Sprinkle some baking soda, pour vinegar into the detergent dispenser, and run a hot cycle without any clothes. This will dissolve any buildup and eliminate those unwanted odors. The rubber seal around the door can be a sneaky hiding spot for grime. Take your toothbrush, dip it in vinegar, and give it a good scrub. Be thorough, and you'll be amazed at the results. Don't forget about the outside of your machine. A simple wipe down with a microfiber cloth and soapy water will make it shine like new. And there you have it, folks. Your washing machine is now fresh and clean, ready to give your clothes the care they deserve. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and hello to laundry perfection. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic cleaning hacks. Do you have any other cleaning challenges you'd like us to tackle? Leave your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today on this washing machine adventure. Until next time, happy cleaning, and may your laundry always come out smelling fresh as a daisy. Take care.